Hey YouTube, what's going on? Kraton XL. They put a dirt hill back up here for me. Let's see what it does on the dirt hill. It killed itself. Oh, nice. All right, Joe. She's on for a second. Let's see if she's gonna stay on. Oh, that was sweet. Actually. And it's off again. Oh. Yeah, I'm mad. This might prove to be. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, baby. We'll get her flattened down right. There it is. Oh no, nose bombed it. That was my own fault. Get rid of it. Yeah. Instantly. Let's do a cruise by real quick. Like a boss. That was fast, Joe. Well, that wasn't a good spot. That wasn't a good spot. Like what in ARRMA's first happened here, guys? Look at this. This whole thing is twisted. My whole thing is twisted. Look at that. You see that? The whole arm was just twisted. Look, let's recreate that. The whole arm's twisted up underneath that, y'all. Look at that. What the world? I had to pop my arm back up here. Now I gotta go get rid of my tools and pop my dog bone back in, my CVD, but we're ripping out here, boys. We'll be right back. Smooth sailing, that's what happened. What? That's so awesome, dude. Oh, I love my team, or not my team, my Kraton XL pulling 2 feet high. Oh yeah, oh yeah, way out there, boys and girls. Woo! Oh, I knew this was gonna be good. Perfect flat side of the other front of it. All right, let's try to get a good shot of this thing and hit it good here. I don't want to kill myself though. See the sparks come off that chassis, y'all, off them rocks? See sparks off. Titanium chassis sparked off the rocks. Ah. Yeah, baby. What? Amazing. LVC. LVC, baby. Let's get her to the car. Well, boys and girls, you know the drill. If you ain't doing something you love, I look a mess, I don't even care. If you ain't doing something you love, you're doing something wrong. This daggone thing right here, guys, just a performer and a half. Got us a new little dirt mound, and she's gonna level out and be real good. We're gonna bring the big boys out here and everything else. That was a freaking blast, y'all. 1650, no sweating it, not even sweating it, boys and girls. She's all right. ESC's not warm. I mean, she's a little warm, but she's good. Like, she's good. Vidavon bulkheads. Look at that shock. She's seen better days. Just the spring is messed up anyway. Vidavon bulkheads, front, back, M2C, everything else. Of course, titanium chassis, Max 6, 1650, 22, I think, 19, 18, 22, 18 or 22, somewhere in there. But flawless, y'all. Yeah, look at her, just ready to go for more. All right, y'all, I'm gonna get out of here, and yeah. We love you. We'll be back out real soon. I'm gonna go charge up the big boy. We just got a bunch of new lipos going out for my channel, Vidavon, ARRMA Skins UK. You guys check them out. Amazing products. You won't tear up your chassis at all. Always looking good. M2C, guys, always. I'm not sponsored by M2C, but as you see, they're obviously one of the best because my truck's covered in them. I wouldn't have them on here if they didn't perform good. Along with Vidavon, you can't go wrong. But I would love to be on a test team one of these days, and maybe we will. Hell, you never know. But that's gonna do it for this one, guys. I love y'all. I couldn't do none of this without all the sponsors that helped me. Like I said, Kevin, you guys are amazing, and I look forward to ripping some of these batteries and getting back on some, letting y'all know how great they are. That was a CNHL 6000 milliamp 70C, the G series, the white ones. That's what that was. Is one of those right there. So yeah. That's gonna do it for this one, y'all. Like, comment, subscribe. If you ain't already subscribed, please think about doing so. It don't cost you nothing. It helps me out tremendously, guys. I can't tell you how much it'll help me out. But yeah, I'm yapping, and I'm gonna go charge with some more batteries so we can get out here and hit that some more. Peace out.